Welcome back, and this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today is a very special, interesting video because I'm going to do a second look at a pair of my Grail shoes. I did an unboxing, but I was in a hotel room. I didn't have good lighting. It was a little hard to see. So this is just a short video after my first wear, and it was a long wear, to talk a little bit about these shoes. So I just got back from my trip, so they're still in the box, but as you can see, I did wear them, and but also just on carpet. And you know, the shoes are just absolutely gorgeous. The way that Anane does the hatch grain is very, very similar to Baker. And of course, as you look at the details here that Hiro does, this it's just incredible. That's incredible. Looking at the stitching, you know, this is all done by hand. You know, the waist, the fiddle, the initials, the whole package. I shared this with a number of folks over the weekend because I was at a shoe event, and so a lot of people got to look at it. And even the most experienced hands, and there was a gentleman there with me who is very experienced, you know, these are the goods. They are as good as shoes get, and just really, really exciting. And so very excited to have another pair of bespoke quality. Although they're not made to my feet, I can't wait to get a pair that is, and I do think that Hiro is the maker that I want to do that from. So now I'm going to take the tree out, and so you can see, you know, the just beautiful work that was done on this tree. And here you see his name in the lighting, and just the incredible work that he did here. So I'm very excited about these shoes still. The high vamp derby style is new to me. It's the only pair that I have with an apron and a split toe. And I really do like the way that they look. I like the way that they feel. And just overall, the elegance of the shoe is great. And the hatch grain allows me to dress it down so that I can continue my progression in the casual side of shoes. So this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, just a 3-minute video. Let me know what you think in the comments below.